Welcome to Brainy Dentist. As the title of the video, let's learn the color coding of fire in 1 minute. For this, imagine a sunset view as shown in a picture. At the top, white sky, after that a yellow rays, and this rays coming from outside sun. Below sun we have a blue river, surrounding the river is a green grass, and on the grass there is a black shadow of someone. So starting from the top, white, yellow, red, blue, green, black. These are the colors. Note the colors. Now do the numbering from 15 to 60 with intervals of 5, and then 70 to 140 with intervals of 10. From 15 to 40, white, yellow, red, blue, green, black color is given. After that it is again repeated. These are 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 80, and after that again it is repeated as shown in the picture. So here you go. 4, 6, 8, 10 file, pink, gray, purple color is given, which is not a difficult task to remember. So hope you liked our video. Please share, like and comment.